Ruins. Just ruins. Did you find anything other than ruins?
Ako ba pinagluloko mo?
Last day of traveling to Siquijor. We only have a 6-hour road trip and a 30-minute ferry ride. We do need to get to the ferry port by 6 p.m. It's 8 a.m. so we need to leave by noontime. So that gives us around 3.5 hours to go around Bacolod City. There's only one place we need to visit here, which is the ruins. Other than that, we're just checking out food. Tonight's the Super Blue Blood Moon night. No big deal. Just once in a 150-year event. No biggie. But let's start with food. Let's do a once over. It's another pill that excites me.
303, check out.
Thank you.
No one wanted to look for Starbucks. I'm going to end up here. Kind of looks like Starbucks, but it's called Cafe Box. The lady there said they had another branch just up the road, a couple of minutes walk, and it has food aside from coffee. So we're gonna try that instead.
That and yeah. The fruit is actually made of real fruits.
Also, it's just $2.20. So. The only thing I don't like about it is that it has watermelon seeds in it, which I don't think you're supposed to eat, but maybe you could. I don't know.
What's here?
We're now at this place I call the Ruins. It's like the ruins of some mansion or castle or church or whatever. Aside from those ruins there, because they use this place for like weddings and stuff, so they have this big open field where you can probably play football in or something. So yeah, it is just an old mansion where it's somewhat cool, I guess. Let's see what else we could find. I wonder if you could go in. Huge fountain, doesn't even work. Ruins. This is the front of the mansion. Some ladies there taking pictures of it. I mean, it's not that bad. It's like $2 to get in here. So. Also, it costs $20 to fly your drone here for 5 flights. Your own drone. So what we're gonna do, and this is what the guy from the cashier told me, that fly it from anywhere else, it's fine, as long as I don't take off from within the vicinity, and that's what we're doing. That could have possibly been a bit better if we could launch from inside, watch the drone from there. I didn't want to fly it too low because there are trees and stuff, and the Spark doesn't have backwards and side sensors like the Phantom 4. Now we have to head to Dumaguete. We should have left like a minute ago, so we need to go right now.
So some people say this is much more beautiful at night because of the lights, but it's still beautiful now. The garden.
The ruins are not this, but yeah. Solar farms. So here's the thing. We are 4 kilometers away from the port, but it is 5 to 6. And the last ferry leaves at 6 if it leaves on time. Sometimes it leaves late. And apparently Nomo has to pick up another car for his dad. We now have, actually we have 6 minutes to get to the port, and we're hoping that the ferry doesn't leave on time. Otherwise, we're stuck here for the night. And if that happens, we won't get to see the super blue blood moon in Siquijor, which would be really cool. But we could probably look for a nice place where we could, you know. As you probably already guessed, we didn't make it to the ferry. We had a spare tire, by the way, but it would have been too much work to replace it because we have all the stuff at the trunk and the tires like in that compartment underneath all of those things. But luckily, we had a plat right in front of that gas station. So we put air in the tire and it gave us enough time to get to the vulcanizing shop that you just saw in the video. And then now everything's fixed, but you know it. But yeah, it's just too late. But